Busoga ino n'okusinga bona omwami gy'otyame.
I am here.
Ali gano.
And we must thank God
era twebaza Katonda
that when the Right Honorable Kadaga stopped being a speaker,
nti mama ife Right Honorable Speaker bwe yaleka okuba speaker wa
Parliament. You got another speaker in Busoga.
Mwafuna speaker owundi mu Busoga.
Don't you see that you're very blessed?
Banange tumbonanga muli ba mukisa.
And instead of welcoming Mulamu,
mu kifo ky'okwaniriza Mulamu waimwe,
instead you're fighting.
Kabiri muli kumulwana bulwane.
Is that the best thing?
Ekyo n'ekisinga bukalamu bwena.
I have seen all the insults.
But for
me, I was brought up in a very good way. My upbringing is that I don't attack elders. I have too much respect for Right Honorable Kadaga. However much she attacks me anywhere,
wairenga ya mugemagana yamu ya mubisamu egali ngendogera yena kudino
bweri. I will not respond to her.
Taida kuiramu wairo omukuza ogutya
because I was brought up.
Kubanga yatekebwa era yakuzibwa.
I did not grow in the street.
Munange tiyakulira ku nguudo bakulebeeta atyo.
And that is the woman you need, a person who has been brought up.
Oyo n'omukyalo omuteeketeeke gwe twetaaga nga Busoga.
And as I told you the last time we met, that we are in a competition within NRM.
Nga bwe yabakoba ku mukuzigule nti tuli mu kusinganwa oba bali mu kusinganwa mu kibiina kyaffe ekya NRM.
And I promise you, by the time we finish this election, we should leave the party more united than before, not divided.
Era yakoba nti bwe tunaamaliriza okulonda akakiiko ka SEC twenda tuleke ekibiina kyaffe ekya NRM nga kiri mwegayisi nga kiri watya walala.
For me, the only thing I can tell you, I am going to bring, since I am new in the party, the way they say,
alikoba nti nga bwali muyaka mu kibiina bino ne byali gy'okuleeta mu kibiina kyaffe
I am going to bring new things in terms of mobilization.
Ajja kuleeta enkola empyaka okugeza ng'okumobilizinga
in terms of linking the party together with the legislature.
Okuba ng'agemaganya ekibiina kyaffe ekya NRM ne Parliament.
In terms of building the base, the NRM base, the population to support NRM.
Era nga akoba nti ayidda kwagalira NRM obuwanguzi oba okugiweeza abantu abangi nga bagiwagira.
You know, nature is not something you can cheat.
Munange ensi eno oba ekikula toyinza kukirwana.
Because you cannot cheat it.
Toyinza kukiiba.
I still have the energy to do it.
Akalina amaani okukola ebintu ebyendawulo.
And I am still going to do.
Era alijja kikola.
I am going to mobilize for the party.
Alijja mobilizing ekibiina oba okukikungira abantu.
And you've seen the harmony that is in that parliament.
Ndowooza mubwine endikaanya n'endikirizaganya.
You have tried me, you have tested me.
Ono ne gwe tubwoyineku tumugezeisaaku ate era akoze ebisinga bulungi.
And trust me with your vote.
Omukyalo ono n'abirye tumuwa akalulu ka SEC.
Be one of the people from Busoga.
Ba mulaloti okusoga gano.
I am saying this vote, this election that we are having is not a Busoga based. It is an election for the whole country.
Akalulu ke tulina ka SEC. Ka Busoga yonka aye ka Uganda yona kuba ka kibiina kyaffe ekya NRM.
But I can promise you people
era ye ekisuubizo kyali kubawo olwaleero
that one, we are going to bring development in our area.
Tujja kuleeta enkulakulana mu biketeza byaffe.
The moment we stop this business of infighting,
bwe tunaalekera okulwanagana kuno okw'omunda ife beene na beene.
We need to be united as Busoga for us to be able to develop this area.
Twetaaga kuba muntu mulala okukuza Busoga yaife.
You cannot be seen to bring down your own people.
Banange kibiina okuba ng'oli kulwana kuyisa bantu bo wansi.
Last time I met you, I promised you that once I am elected, we are going to empower all the structures of the party.
Yakoba era yabasuubiza kwolwo lwe mwali naye nti bw'anaaba abiseemu era nga mumuwaire maani. Structures daife NRM ajadiwa obusobozi okuba nga tukolera galala ate nga tukolera.
I have been getting cheats from a number of people, the youth, the women. We are going to make sure you have those circles working.
Alikuba nga afuna obubaluwa okuva mu bavubuka, mu bakyala, mu bakaire, mu bakosefu, alibasuubiza circles edo donna dijja kubanga.
If we don't do it as a party for now,
era ne bwe tunaabanga tutukikoze ng'ekibiina,
we have a vote in Parliament for donation.
Tulinayo donations mu Busoga, tulinayo donations in Parliament.
That we obuyambi that we give to every district.
Obuyambi obujja okuweebwa era obuweebwa buli district.
The question should be asked before Anita became a speaker. Where was that money going?
Banange ekibuuzo kiri nti nga Anita akaali kufuuka speaker wa Parliament. Essente edo oba obugabiriza obwo bwali bujaawa.
Now when I start giving that donation to every district, they start saying Anita is corrupt.
Ye bw'atandise okuwa sente edo buli district balikoba nti kabiri ye ali corrupt.
The sanctions I got are because I passed a law.
Agireeta anigirizibwa lwakubanga yabisa ekintu ekyo eky'ebisiyaga eiteeka ery'ebisiyaga lwakuba yagibisa nga ife nga Uganda tugirobye.
And indeed, if you're a parent, you never accommodate that law.
Ezira muzairaikiriza kubisa kintu oti n'ekyo omukazi ku mukazi be.
Unless if you are not a parent.
Okutoolaku nga toli muzaire osobola okuyikiriza.
And as a mother,
ate era nga maama,
I had to that law. That law.
Yali alina okubisa iteeka
No
eryo.
parent will ever want to see her kid
ayinza kubona mwana we
go into homosexuality.
Nga aliko bintu ebyo bityo.
Ebisyaga.
Ebisyaga musaada ku musaada, mukazi ku mukazi.
But because the people who don't mind,
ayo olw'okuba abantu abatafaayo,
who don't care about the generation
era nga
ahead,
tibafaayo ku baana baife,
they decided not to pass that law because they wanted to get their personal benefits.
Basalawo obutabisa iteeka eryo lwansonga nti bo baabona nga balina we bakifuniramu.
And I am paying a price for it.
Bambi ali awo ali kusasula musango ogwo.
That is why I was sanctioned.
N'ensonga lwaki yaloberwa okujja mu nsi edo nga bwe muwulira.
I pity when some people come up,
era ajja yasaasira abantu abandi.
Instead of talking truth,
mu nsonga eyo mu kifo eky'okwogera ebituufu,
they start beating about the bush.
Bamala nga beebuzaabuza bati.
Lying is not what will give them a vote. Lying is not what will give them the vote.
Obulimba tibuyidda kuba wakalulu era tibuyidda abafunisa.
It is always better to say the truth.
Kirungi n'okwogera amazima.
And I am saying the win is on our side.
Alikoba nti obuwanguzi buli ku side yaife.
I have moved throughout the whole country.
Atambwire Uganda yona yona.
As we speak today,
era nga bwe tuli kwogera
we could be at 90%.
Tuli ku 9%, percentage eri ku 9%. Mukikubire mu ngalo
And when you start saying
era bwe tutandika okwogera
that I have been stopped from going to America,
mbu baamulobera okujja mu nsi
to go to Canada,
Canada.
Am I going to practice the NRM in Canada?
Alitwala NRM mu Canada oba mu America?
NRM is in Uganda.
Ayo NRM ya wano wife
and
Uganda.
I am going to mobilize for NRM in Uganda.
Era alijja akola ekisoboka kyonna kyonna Uganda.
I will mobilize in Buyende.
Ali mobilizing e Buyende.
In Kamuli.
Kamuli.
In Iganga.
Iganga.
Namayingo. And just know.
And just
know that this year, 2026 election, President Museveni will win in Busoga.
President Museveni ajja kuwangulira waigulu mu Busoga wano.
And we are telling the President Museveni,
era alikobera President Museveni,
give these local leaders to manage their districts.
Abantu banno ba chairman ba Walubi ba Magogo basobola okumanaginga districts.
Let's not give one person that it is only this person who knows Busoga.
Ezira kuwa muntu kuveere sente
All of you are very important.
Twena no tuli ba
The
mugaso.
money must come to you people.
Sente dituukire kwimwe.
How can they give me, who is also a candidate,
Lwaki bawa candidate oba nganze
that you
kitambala
manage the whole of Busoga?
ati managing a district?
Do we have leadership in Buyende?
Tuzira bukulembeze.
Do we have leadership in Iganga?
Tuzira bukulembeze mu
The
Iganga.
leaders in different districts should be the ones to manage those districts.
Abakulembeze mu districts edendawulo nibe n'abalina okulira ensonga ya NRM.
Everybody should eat this money.
Buli muntu ateekeddwa okulya ku sente eno.
Not only one person
Ti
taking
muntu
it.
atya mulala.
NRM oye?
NRM juu.
The last time we met,
Olunaku omukuzigule bwe twayagaanana.
you told me you're giving me votes.
Mwamukoba nti mujja kumuwa akalulu.
Is that the same position today?
Banange ni leero kityo bwe kikaali.
Can I see the hands that are giving us the
Omukaire
votes?
ayenda kubona ku mikono dijja kumuwa kalulu.
And I want to say this.
Maama alina kyali kwenda okoba.
I want to thank you for your votes.
Ayenda kubeebaza kalulu waire nga kakaali ayo ali kubeebaza olwaleero. Kubanga mwikiriza.
And I want to
Era ali kwenda obakoba.
that I will do whatever it takes to develop our area.
Ajja akola buli kyetaagisa buli kisoboka okuba nga akulaakulanya ebyalo
But
byaife.
as Anita,
Aye nga Anita.
I will not also allow any blackmail.
Taida kuyikiriza kumusiiga bulaaka.
That before you give us an office,
Nga tukali kuwa office.
I am for somebody.
Mbu ndi wanankani ole. Ekyalo bye.
If I have decided to support my people, I will support.
Bw'abayikiriza era ng'asazeewo. Teekateekera aida abasapoti.
Time for those you're talking about is gone.
Ebiseera ebyo bye muli kwogeraku byabita.
Me, I am here. I am the next SEC member.
Naali kuyira ku oba mwendo oba temukolaaki. Naali kuyira
And
ku
with your
SEC member.
support, we are going to be on 27th. You shall align, and I want to bet that the 3 districts that will perform best will get gifts.
Ebigambo ebyo mubiwulire omukaire akobya ati district esatu edijoosinga ajja abawa ebirabo. Ekyo
Hallelujah.
bweyamo bwakoze kale ndikoba nti abana Buyende muli.
And my gift is not just these local gifts.
Mbwe ebirabo bye tibiba bya buliido.
This one of somebody giving here a bicycle,
Mbwe ebyo by'abantu kubawa bugaali,
giving here a motorcycle.
kubawa bupikipiki.
Mine is hybrid.
Kyambala, kirabo kyambala.
I want the 3 districts
District esatu diti
that will perform best.
edijja okusinga okumuwa akalulu.
Immediately after the election,
Ng'akalulu kankawa katikati.
you come back here.
Mweda kuyira gano.
And that's why I brought you here.
N'ensonga lwaki abaleese
I
mutegeere
brought you
gano.
here
Abaleese gano
because I want you to know that there is a home.
lwa nsonga nti ayenda mutegeere nti ayina amaka.
In my culture, if you come to my home, you become a friend.
Mu buwangwa bwe bw'ojja mu maka ge oba ofuuse wa mukwano.
I cannot take you to a lodge.
Tasobola kutwala.
I cannot take you to a technical school.
Tasobola kutwala mu issomero.
That because I am looking for a vote.
Olw'okuba ng'ali kwagala kalulu.
How many times have you visited some of those people?
Mubanange mirundi emeka nga mubakyalira ku maka gaibwe.
How many times have they come to your districts that they are supporting NRM and mobilizing for NRM?
Era mirundi emeka gye baidye ku ma districts gaimwe nga bali
They have been in SEC
NRM.
for all this time. Have they ever come to your districts?
Banange ebbanga eryo lyonna luna baidanga kwewaimwe nga ate babaire mu
I want
seeke.
to promise you
Ali kwenda
that
okubasuubiza
once I'm elected,
nti bwe banaabanga bamulonze era nga
I will
mumulonze
move to all the districts in Busoga.
ajja kutambula mu districts donna eda Busoga.
I will move to all the districts in Uganda.
Ajja atambula mu districts donna eda Uganda.
And I can promise you the national cake that is under me.
Era ajja alibasuubiza nti eyo keeki y'eiwanga eri nga nsiige.
We will always
Oba gy'alina
make
ku
that, we
buvunaanyizibwa.
will make sure that we distribute it equally.
Alijja kukola ekisoboka tugigabane kyenkanyi.
And I want once more
Era alikwenda okwogerayo kino.
to thank you so much.
okubeebaza eino ak'enswiso.
Don't look for only one vote which is yours.
Munange otanoonya kalulu kako wenka.
Look for more other votes.
Noonya n'obululu obundi kamaala buli delegate gwedi yogera naye.
I know you have so many friends.
Aide nga mulina bakwano baimwe no abatali wano mu Busoga nga bali mu Uganda mu district Sedindi.
Kindly look for votes from all those people.
Mubakubira amasimu mwogere nabo mubasaba akalulu k'omukaira Anita Among AAA Nalongo.
And once more,
Era ekisembayo once more
I want to thank you
ayenda kubeebaza
for supporting me.
okumuwagira.
One thing you should know,
Era kye mulina okutegeera
you have a number 3 person in your
mulina enamba 3 wano mu Busoga.
and all the development that I've done in Bukedea.
Enkulaakulana yona gyakoze
We
Bukedea.
have schools in Bukedea.
Bazimbye amasomero e
We have
Bukedea.
built hospitals in Bukedea.
Bazimbye amalwaliro
We
e
have built
Bukedea.
the technical school.
Bazimbye amasomero
We have built a
ag'ebyemikono.
stadium.
Era bazimba n'ekisaawe ky'omupiira.
In my culture, when you leave home,
Era mu buwangwa bwe bw'ova eka
where you're married becomes your home.
y'ofumbirwa n'eba ewaimwe.
The next development I'm doing is in Busoga.
Ebiri kuyirako ebyenkulaakulana biri kuyida gano mu Busoga.
I have told my husband
Nti buli daakobye omwami w'ono
we
Engineer Moses
must
Magogo.
bring what is in Bukedea and bring it in Busoga.
Nti balina okuleeta ebiri e Bukedea babireete gano e Busoga.
Even if it is not in Buyende, it must be within the locality.
Ni bwe kitaabe Buyende ayi kirina okuba mu Busoga kuba Busoga tuli atya
This is
mulala.
where Tenywa and Waiswa belong.
Tenwa ni Waiswa eno niye bava era niye bava era simuko.
So those are your people.
Abo n'abantu baimwe
I
era
want-
baana baimwe.
God bless you all.
Banange Katonda abampeere ino omukisa.
And thank you so much for supporting me.
Era alikwebaza nti mwebale kumuwagira bale ino.
And God bless you, and the God who brought you, may the God take you back safely.
Katonda aba omukisa nga bw'abaleese obukalamu era asaba abayizeeyo bwera.
Nga ddala wazze kusunga busunzi dino ejja
Nawaka leo ni moto nawaka kwa Anita nawaka moto 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 ni waka kwa seke moto moto niliwaka kwa Buyende moto moto niliwaka kwa seke moto niliwaka kwa Buyende.
Kuba kino kyankizo ino bukyambawo mu bukulembeze bwa President Museveni okuba nga kino kibaawo naddala mu Busoga waifaano.
Oyo naakulembera ekyalo kino wairoli MP wairoli President n'akuuma Speaker so mbaire nzira kyamukolera. Bakuleeteire olwemba awo nga tuyigulawo kabakutandikire n'olwemba tutandika omukolo officially. Titwenda nakunumya mbu ate bavuire idinda manya bava kamuli oligibona bajeta kamuli district.
Abalonzi bwe tulina isuubi kana akalulu kako abalonzi bwe tulina isuubi kana akalulu kako mbalegibaidi kugera n'okuteesa kw'abalema kana akalulu kako abalonzi bwe tulina isuubi kana akalulu kako
Bali jaji bakobera nze tiri kwenda kuwena itu tuli walala. So buli omu atega amatu tuli beene na beene tuli ba famire tutambulanga famire.
Bana kansooka ntwala omukisa guno okwebaza Kibumba ow'Omwaitonzi asobera okutulukunganira era mu nsambo n'endala ndakwongera okwebaza naddala okusingira irala Honorable